everyone, it's Friedia here, and today, I know it's a little bit late, but I'm doing my October layout for my bullet journal. So I'm actually not really bullet journaling. I've been trying this new thing out where I just basically do whatever I want with it. I'm keeping it really simple. There's not a lot of symbols or anything. I'm not paging what numbers and whatnot, and I just started this in August. So today is my October layout, and for this layout at the moment I'm using the Zebra Sarasa pens. It's the vintage black green pen. So that's on one, usually it's on my right hand side because I just like to see it the most. And then on the left side I'm adding the dates and I guess the numbers and the day of the week with tape. Usually I write this down by pen, but I thought since I got this new washi tape I would try it out. It didn't fit on the notebook fully, and usually when I write with a pen everything fits. And I just jotted down in Japanese that it's October 2019. It's not the prettiest font, and I think I'm going to put a sticker or something over it, but at the moment I just wrote it down. But the reason why I have two is the one that's going down, I just like to write everything that happens during that month. And then the little calendar that I'm working on at the moment, that's just easier to see what day it is, Monday through, or a Sunday through Saturday. Yeah, and so I just also like to decorate it. I randomly saw a similar illustration on Pinterest, and it was real fall-like, and I thought I would take that idea and go with it. So it was just a image that I saw. I'm not looking at anything and just kind of playing with the colors that I have. Most of this is done by the mild liner pens, and right now I'm using my Juice Up pen. It's a black fine 0.4 tip, so it can get like the little details which I like. And then the tree branch is used with my Tombow brush pen. But yeah, I just wanted it to do something fall-like. I don't know, I thought maybe I'd do pumpkins because my son is obsessed with pumpkins, but I don't know, I went a little bit more of a simple route. Yeah, and I outlined the October font just a little bit with my pen, and I added some fall leaves here and there, and yeah, I guess anything that I have to do left is just fill in the dates with everything that I have going on for October. It's going to be a pretty busy month. But yeah, I did draw a couple, or actually I drew one pumpkin for my son because I knew he would love it. And then I had these pumpkin washi tapes that I've had for quite a while. I don't even think they're a Japanese one. I think it's a Scotch tape brand one that I found at Michael's. Anyways, I always bring it out during that time, so yeah, this is it. And I just got out one pumpkin and I added to the 31st. And I took one more pumpkin and I think I added it next to my sloppy Japanese handwriting. But yeah, this is pretty much my spread, and then after this, each page I just have it where the date are all on the left hand side and my brain dump goes on the right hand side. I'll have to show you on another day, but yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what your theme is for the month of October. See ya!